how to log out of your Gmail account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out your Gmail account from Gmail. Well, the process itself is simple, but it can be a bit tricky. First things first, can you log your account out of Gmail? Well, unfortunately, Gmail doesn't give you any option to log out your account at all. However, what you can do in order to log out your account from Gmail is you'll have to simply go ahead and remove that particular account from your device. In order to do so, simply head over to settings. So you can scroll down the notification bar, tap on settings or the gear icon there and head over to settings, right? Once on the settings, you want to simply scroll down to the very bottom, and towards the end you should be able to see the option that says right there, you can see accounts and backup. So you want to tap on accounts and backup, then you want to tap on manage accounts option. Once you tap on manage accounts, you should see your particular Google account that is associated with your Gmail. You want to tap on it and tap on remove account and remove it from your device. Once you remove it from your device, it will be removed from your Gmail as well. And this is how you can log out your Gmail account. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.